tal vez que no vaya. Ahí que ya el carro va frenado.
What's going on with the truckers? Just want to make this video. It's a PSA. You guys know I live in South Florida. Just to let you know that, for one, if you are a truck driver, do not leave your semi-truck running anywhere in South Florida because it gets a little sketchy out there. And the second part to that is definitely do not try to steal a semi-truck. Situation that just happened 24 hours ago. A truck driver left his truck running at the Pilot in South Florida. And this guy from witnesses say that they saw a guy jump in his truck and try to get away. Well, at this point, this guy didn't know how to drive a stick shift, so he crashed into a car and he was moving very slowly. Well, at the very end of it, the owner and somebody from inside the truck stop caught up to him, threw like rocks and cans, broke his window, and basically grabbed that guy out. Mutha Truckers, just want to let you know, PSA, don't leave your truck running. And number two, don't be an idiot thief that's going to try and steal someone's truck because you deserve what you got. Mutha Truckers, comment down below.